Okay, good morning, everybody.
Good morning. He's crabby.
She's so crabby.
He's so crabby.
In the morning,
He's just angry elf.
first thing she said to me, "What are you doing?"
That's not true.
That's the first line this morning. So she's sleeping in bed. I got up before her. I was grabbing my phone off the nightstand and I heard, "What are you doing?" First 4 words I got this morning. But it's gonna get better. We're gonna head downstairs and get some coffee. And then
We're gonna eat.
same answer she gives every time. First say, "We're gonna make it happen."
Okay.
And then
We're gonna make it happen.
Pack your bags, 'cause we're heading way out west to the city that never takes a rest. Dawn and Heather, we're gonna have a blast in the neon lights where the memories last. From the strip to downtown, we'll explore it all, sharing every moment, big and small. Vegas flaws, watch us take on the town. With every video, the excitement's found. Make it happen with Dawn, hey yeah. Dawn and Heather, living life without a care. We're chasing dreams, gonna hit that super grand. With every jackpot, making memories grand. Make it happen with Dawn, hey yeah. Dawn and Heather, living life without a care.
all right, we were gonna stop at the second floor to that coffee shop back there, and there's nobody in line. There's nobody over there. So, but then I thought, you know what? I want a cold brew, so I'm gonna walk down to Starbucks, and we're gonna get some cold brew. Look what she's looking at, guys. This spells trouble. Trouble.
I like.
Oh, here we go.
Right there. It's like a teardrop.
Teardrop.
Yeah,
Okay.
It's got an almost 8-carat mystic fired stone.
Okay. I need this pinky ring. This big gold chunk. All right, I need coffee, but that's what I need. Said I need coffee, that's what I need. All right, we're gonna head to get coffee, but this view right here just never gets old. There's a big conference of some hotel in here, and their meeting starts at 8, I think. So when we got in the elevator on 46, it stopped at almost every floor on the way down. But here we go. So I hope there's not a ton of people waiting for Starbucks. Okay, guys, just as I suspected, the line at Starbucks was crazy. But if you go to the Grand Lux, there's always a little bakery door to go spot, take out, and they have coffee in here, iced, hot, whatever you want, and some pastries, and there's never a big line.
I can't
We got a couple subscribers we met here, David and Rita from Texas. Look who we found. You know what he asked me?
Y'all became our faves.
What did you ask him?
What did you just ask me about Heather?
Is she hungry?
Absolutely is. I am. I need.
All right, here we are. All right, we're heading out of the Venetian right now. We're gonna head over to the Mirage before they shut it down and have some breakfast at the pantry.
For the last time.
All right, which one?
Oh.
All right. By the time we get there, we'll probably have the munchies because there's a very suspicious odor.
It's very like all-encompassing, like overwhelming odor.
There's the destination, the Mirage. Let's try a little segment where we Look up.
Looking up?
Look up.
Look up. Look up!
Look up.
Oh, wow.
Hey, you okay?
No, look up. Don't look down. Look up.
About.
Look up.
Look up, man. Look up.
Up.
What'd you get to eat?
Smothered burrito.
Are you excited?
Can't you tell?
You don't look excited.
Of course, I'm always excited for the burrito at the pantry in Aria.
Are you a little disappointed it's closing?
I'm a little disappointed that it's closing, only because of the history of the Mirage, but it may be replaced by something fabulous.
True.
Right? So, we'll see.
What did I get?
Eggs Benedict with scrambled eggs.
Yep.
Very, very predictable.
Is that a bad thing?
I don't have any fancy sayings. That's it, thank you. Get a little extra sauce on the side.
Excuse me. Extra holidays? Yes. Thank you.
Clean Plate Club. How are you doing?
I'm so full, I gotta stop.
You're not gonna make the Clean Plate Club?
Nope. I'm not.
All right, keep trying. All right, we're leaving the Mirage.
Yep.
Bellies are full.
Hummingbird.
Hangry Heather is hangry no more.
Not hungry anymore.
Heading back to the Palats.
Yes.
We're gonna relax for a little bit, and then we're heading towards Cosmopolitan Aria, and there might even be a rare stop at the Luxor.
Maybe.
What do you think about that? All right, we'll see you back over there. Hey, all right, we just met Jan and Megan from Chicago. What a nice couple. It was so nice getting to know them. And they have a couple young ones at home, so they're out here having a good time.
Living their blessed life.
And we also met Rita and David from Texas. Happy 20th anniversary.
I know.
So they're
That's
here on their
amazing.
anniversary. So it was great meeting them. And it's always fun meeting all you subscribers. So check out the slideshow at the end and your picture will be there. All right, we're going to head into the gift shop because Heather needs to do a little shopping. And then we'll be back.
It is time for an adventure. We are going down strip.
We're going down and stripping? I thought I wasn't allowed to do the naked cowboy.
No. And we are going to the Cosmopolitan and the Aria, maybe Ross.
Wait. Where'd you sneak in there?
Nothing?
Who's Ross?
It's my boyfriend.
You made it. That's where we're at, guys. All right, I give you 3 guesses. The first 2 don't count. It's a drink, honey.
We're going to get a drink.
Cosmopolitan. Let's go.
We're going to get a drink.
Think we have free place you can see? Yeah, I want to. We're gonna go. We ordered on Starbucks online, so by the time we get down there, it should be ready. We'll stop here and see if we have any free play, because Cosmo's kind of weird. I don't get it. All casinos are different, but it seems like when you have free play here, you have to stop here. And they have to load it or something, so we'll see. Hey, we got our Starbucks.
Yay!
I got some kind of mocha macadamia nut cold brew.
I got a
Dragon fruit refresher.
mango lemonade dragon fruit refresher.
We want to say hi to Matt.
Hello.
Matt from Michigan. We just met him. It's good to meet you. Thanks for stopping and saying hi. Hope you have a lot of luck the rest of your trip.
Yes.
All right, we're gonna figure something out in one of these areas, and we'll see you soon. Guys, we did it. Another hand pay right here at the Cosmopolitan. $1,294.60. Make it happen!
Then 1, 2, 3, 4,
Whoa!
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95.
All right. Whoa! All right, Cosmopolitan was fun. I got a hand pay. I don't know. I got so lucky.
It's really hot here.
We're leaving the Cosmo. We're walking towards Ross, guys.
We're going
Taking
shopping.
bets. Taking bets. Do we go in or do we go by? In or by? You make the call.
Happy life.
There's the sign. Uh-oh. We're walking towards it.
No, this way.
Oh, we might walk.
This way?
We might veer this way.
No.
Oh, honey, look at this construction. We should probably.
No, this
Oh,
way.
right in
Come
here.
on, this way, yes. See,
Guys.
the sign says lower level.
This escalator right here. This one.
That one.
That one.
Yeah.
Guys, it's happening. Cue the music.
Heather's on a mission, gotta find some deals. Walking through the aisle, she knows just how it feels. Searching for the perfect dress, she won't settle for anything less. She's got style and she's got taste. Once is her happy place. Shopping with Heather at Black department store. Finding all the latest trends, she wants a little more. She's got fashion on her mind, it's time to explore. Oh, shopping with Heather at Black department store.
What's up, guys? There she goes.
Stop it.
Look at the smile.
Stop it.
Look at how happy. Look what I'm getting. Hokas. A couple people walking around in here drinking a beer. You'll never see anybody drinking a beer at Ross,
You will
but in
right here.
Vegas.
Tell me how cute that is.
That's not cute.
I think it's adorable.
You'll be seeing these clothes on the cruise videos on the next cruise.
I got nice new clothes for the cruise.
And here we are. Destination Aria. It's a very familiar walk, isn't it?
Yes. Yes, it is.
This is a lot of construction. Jose Andres Group coming soon. Another restaurant.
What are you doing?
Well, for some reason.
All right.
Made it to the Aria. That's my husband.
You want to get a tight shot of these toes from the cruise? Still shiny. Look at that. Guys. Thank God the lady at Ross cut this for us. They don't match my outfit. Oh, they don't fit. Oh, they fit. Oh. My feet just went, thank you. All the other kids with their pumped up kicks better run faster than the others. All the other kids with their pumped up kicks. Hokas. Guys, if you've never had a pair of Hokas, invest.
Not a sponsor.
Not a sponsor. They're like $150 or more.
Unless you go to Ross.
But in Ross, $89.99.
All right, your dog's better?
This is the only time I'm happy about your shop.
Your dog's better?
Oh yeah.
Okay, good.
Now I can go. I'm walking on sunshine. Oh yeah. It don't feel good. All right. I tied that bag up like the way you like it.
Thank you.
Because you know what I've learned? Just because it's my way doesn't mean it's the right way. There could be other ways to do things. I never knew that.
It was a surprise to him.
I thought my way was the right way. Woo.
Telling you straight, my way or the highway. If anybody wants to walk, do it now.
Yeah, his way was the only way and it was the right way. I was like, surprise! Guess
You know what we call that, guys? Growth.
I was just gonna say that. Look
call
at
it
you.
growth.
Look at you.
And look at this. I'm very excited to be here. So I have a room booked here for our August trip for a couple nights. Because rumor has it, there's a cruise certificate giveaway.
There's your Larry guy.
Look at this fella. He just loves to give money. All right.
There's high too.
I would like to walk through. You want to go sit at the gem bar maybe and get a cocktail? I don't know. Just something different. All right, guys. We'll see you in a minute, okay? We're going to figure out what we're going to do in here. And then we're heading to the Luxor. Yeah. Well, there's a reason. We'll see. Okay, guys. New game. I got a double bonus. Win 2 jackpots. It's got 2 pots up here. And I popped 2 of them. I like that. I like that. I popped 2. There's the mini. I think I get 1 more. Oh, major's 40. Times 5. 40 times 5. And many times 3.
Look at you.
Do I get something else? Because I popped both pots. Oh, I got 2 because I get 2. How about that, guys? I think we made it to the Luxor.
We did. We did.
I don't know if we've ever been here.
Cool.
Do we even know where we're at?
No, we have no idea. Big step. Big step.
Egyptian.
Hieroglyphics. All over the wall. Everywhere.
Yeah.
Pretty sweet. These are like sacrificial games.
All right, we came all the way to Luxor just to play. Right?
Just a little bit.
And we're going to play today. So we'll let you know when we start playing.
You'll know.
Right now, I feel like I'm in the desert because I am parched.
Yes, agreed.
We just left the Aria. We were there for over an hour. Couldn't get a single drink.
Right.
And I even asked 3 separate girls for a drink. I'll be right back. Never saw them again.
Did not go
So
well.
we got the heck out of there.
Did not go well.
But here we are. In search of a cocktail.
Yes.
All right, we'll let you know if we find one. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I don't get nervous. This is really cool. You should be looking around.
I am. Carrot Top.
Bodies.
Guys, we're at play, adult playground. You should be nervous.
Just a black abyss.
There she goes. I don't want to do that again.
I did not see that coming. You?
What the heck? Listen, fella, I don't know who you are, but that was rough. middle and push that button. Alright everybody, it is the last night of the last day of the current trip to Las Vegas.
I'm exhausted.
Let's rewind a little bit and go to play. Told you guys we were going to play, and we went and played.
That we did.
They should have had somebody come on and say, you should not do play if you have high blood pressure. If you have high cholesterol or low cholesterol, you should not do play if you're diabetic. If you're not diabetic, if you're over 50, you shouldn't do play. If you're allergic to exhaustion and lack of oxygen, you should not do play. Consult your doctor before doing play.
It was intense. It was fun though. I enjoyed it.
It was fun. It was a lot of fun. I'm concerned about it for one reason, because in my opinion, it was great. I recommend you do it, but I think it's a one and done.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, it was a lot of fun. Great concept. It reminded us of Big Brother. If any of you are Big Brother fans, and they have all the veto competitions and the HOH competitions.
That's what it was like.
So it was...
I stink at it.
It was nutty. The worst thing that we could have done and that we did was start the play off with the slide.
Mm-hmm. Skip the slide.
Don't skip the slide. It's terrification.
Or do it last before you leave.
When you're old and fat like me, and you gotta try to hold a camera, put this yellow mat down, and then crawl into this tube that's barely the circumference of my belly. And then when you start sliding down there, you're going real fast, and it's completely dark.
Pitch
and you
black,
don't know
and
which
you're
way you're
doing
turning.
corkscrews.
And then you get to the bottom, and you're like, thank God this is over. But then you realize, I still got to get out of this tube.
That part, I do it before you leave, not necessarily when you get there.
I need to get in shape. I just, I was sweating, I was hot. But it was fun. It was fun.
Trip was good.
And then we were starving, and we were going to go to a Mexican place. Diablo Cantina in the Luxor. And we went, and they sat us at a table. And this whole restaurant, it wasn't that crowded. And they sat us in this little 2 foot by 2 foot square high top with wooden chairs, which was kind of rough. And then we sat there and we sat there and we sat there, and nobody ever came and waited on us.
We were there for like a solid 10, 15, 20 minutes maybe.
So we got up and left, came back to the palazzo, and remembered how good Grimaldis pizza is.
We did have Grimaldis, and it was delicious.
We went to Grimaldis Pizza, and Heather had this salad. Yeah, it looks like a salad for a Thanksgiving feast of a whole family, but she ate the whole thing herself.
It was amazing.
And then we got this pizza, which was the
Quattro Formaggio was half of it.
Half of it, and the other half was some Golden Gate Bridge or some bridge something. I don't know. It had ricotta cheese, roasted red peppers, and sausage. And it's delicious. We love Grimaldis. Grimaldis is always a winner. Great thing about Grimaldis is when you go there, they get you seated, they get your order, They get your food out. 30, 40 minutes tops. You're in, you get a pie, you eat, and you're out.
Yeah, it was good.
So if you're the type of people that want to just sit down for dinner and have a cocktail and then get an appetizer and then have a salad and then have your meal.
Grimaldis probably
dessert and a coffee and then chat some more, then that would be different. But if you're like me and you want to get in and get out and get going, Grimaldis is a good spot.
It was pretty good.
Okay.
Now we're ready to, I think win-loss, we're both down.
We're down, but that hand pay helped.
It did.
What a surprise that was. We were playing that Lucky Louie's game, and I never played it before. And then I was in the free spin bonus, and then this rabbit. Is he a rabbit?
It's a great question. I thought it was a kangaroo, though.
No, I think Lucky Louie's a rabbit. But he pops up on the screen, and I'm like, what's he do? And I'm like, I bet he collects all the coins. And then all of a sudden, I went, boom! Major. And the major was like $1,200. And then I looked at the machine left of me, and it was like 5-something. So I think it starts at 500. So boy, I got lucky, not only hitting the major, but sitting at the right machine.
Yeah.
So the Cosmopolitan's pretty good to me, I have to say.
I agree.
So what do you think? How do you rate the trip?
Trip was pretty good. Trip was a blur. It's always a blur.
It's pretty good. I'm ready to go home though. I'm a little bit tired. I need some rest. So we're going to go home back to Ohio and rest up for 2 weeks and then come back and do it again.
Yep.
And we hate coming here to Vegas. It's awful, but we do it for you. I try to tell her that all the time. She don't buy it.
Not even a little bit.
So before we go, I'm just going to put this clip in one more time again.
Are you red flagging me?
Nope. You don't know what clip was just in there because when I edit it, I don't know. Should we tell her now or should we just wait for her to see it?
Oh, I don't even want to know.
Just think about the disco ball.
Don't put that in there.
Oh, yeah.
Don't do that.
So that room that you saw in play, it was just this room and it says, there's a sign in there and it says, push this button for some kind of relief. And you don't know what happens. It's just neon lights and a big disco ball. And I kind of thought it was going to blow air and her hair would be flying. She hits the button and all this loud music starts playing and you just dance there.
It was fun though.
It was pretty cool.
It was fun. Would I go back? No. But it was worth it though, I think.
The last thing I'm going to apologize for is they had a Velcro wall where you put on this big Velcro suit and you jump on this trampoline and then you splat yourself on the wall. Mm-hmm. And
we watched a girl do it, which you might have a clip of that, because you can't see her face.
I don't think I videoed it.
Okay.
But
this girl, she was bouncing and she flung up, but she would like get stuck and her whole face would, no way.
Yeah, it looked like her face was hitting.
Yeah, nope, thank you.
I'm glad we didn't do that.
Me too.
Lots of fun, great trip. We met some good people.
Yes, we did.
That we'll put here in the slideshow. But remember, what? Did you hear that?
I didn't say anything.
Yeah, somebody said, where'd you get that hat, Don? This here hat, this Live Lucky, Make It Happen with Don hat. Well, you could get that at makeithappenwithdon.com. Just go on there, click on the shop button, pick yourself up a hat.
Please like and subscribe. It's free. It actually helps us with our channel.
Yeah, as we sit here right now, I think we're 3 subscribers away from 4,000. So hopefully by the time we get home, I hope we'll be at 4,000.
Yeah, that would be nice.
We can have a celebration.
He's going to have a celebration.
So we appreciate you watching. We love you all.
Mm-hmm. And live your blessed life.
Because you are blessed. I hope I wasn't long-winded.
Say goodbye.
But earlier I was winded.
Say goodbye. Bye.
Check out this slideshow.
Okay. I want to go to bed. I'm tired.
Listen, woman.
Yes, sir.
You ate all the salad and pizza. I'm hungry.
Are you serious? I did not eat all the salad and pizza. I did eat all the salad.
I'm more tired than hungry.
It's a brand new day. Let's make some magic. Come with me. We're on a journey. We're on a ride. Together we'll conquer and reach new heights. Make it happen, make it loud. We're unstoppable, we're so proud. With every like and every share, our subscribers show that they care. Make it happen, come on and sing. With hearts of gold, we're spreading our wings. You're the reason we're having fun. We love all our subscribers, each and every one. From east to west, across the globe, our channel's growing, don't you know? You're the stars that light up our screen. You inspire us, make our dreams gleam. Make it happen, make it loud. We're unstoppable, we're so proud. With every like and every share, our subscribers show that they care. Make it happen, come on and sing. With hearts of gold, we're spreading our wings. You're the reason we're having fun. We love all our subscribers, each and every one. From east to west, across the globe, our channel's growing, don't you know? You're the stars that light up our screen. You inspire us, make our dreams gleam. Make it happen, make it loud. We're unstoppable, we're so proud. With every like and every share, our subscribers show that they care. Make it happen, come on and sing. With hearts of gold, we're spreading our wings. You're the reason we're having fun. We love all our subscribers, each and every one.